This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming network parity. Make sure the iPhone 16 and the receiving display share the same Wi-Fi. This prevents discovery issues. Once done, enable Bluetooth and keep the phone unlocked so services can pair quickly. You'll start the action by pulling down Control Center. This exposes the screen mirroring icon. Tap it now. Why? Because that single tap launches device discovery and begins the secure AirPlay handshake that carries audio and video to the screen. You'll see a list of available receivers. Choose the exact device name to avoid mirroring the wrong screen. Once you select it, wait for a 4-digit AirPlay code to appear on the TV or monitor. Enter that code on your iPhone to authorize the link. This step secures the stream and prevents accidental access. Make sure to set orientation and volume on the iPhone and grant any app permissions if a specific app requests AirPlay use, so content displays correctly. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. That cleanly ends the AirPlay session and frees the receiver. If the stream stutters or disconnects, restart Wi-Fi on both devices or reboot the receiving display. Network hiccups cause most failures. Make sure both iPhone 16 iOS and the receiver firmware are current, because updates fix compatibility. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: toggle AirPlay off then on in Settings, General AirPlay and Handoff to reinitialize discovery and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.